Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the portal or visiting a kiosk. You must sign in with your national ID so the system links records correctly. Once logged in, select the Karobar card application and confirm whether you apply as an individual or enterprise because required fields differ. Provide your primary contact number and a working email. You do this first to unlock tailored form sections, then proceed immediately to the identification and business identity pages to avoid delays. Now you systematically fill out the detailed form, enter your business address, activity code, and ownership percentages so the system categorizes your trade. Upload legible copies of ID, registration, and tax certificates. Make sure file names are under the size limit and in accepted formats. Next, input financials like annual turnover and primary bank account for verification. Once done, double-check mismatched names or numbers, because consistency prevents rejection during automated. You should review the entire summary page carefully and correct any typos before you hit submit. Once submitted, the system issues a reference number. Save it and expect status updates by SMS or portal. If verification is successful, your Karobar card is issued. If not, you receive an error code with reasons. Make sure to act on that promptly. Retrieve the rejection note, correct the indicated documents, and resubmit within the allowed timeframe to avoid restart delays.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.